Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two popular microphones in the market, the HyperX QuadCast and TECURS USB Microphone. We'll be evaluating them based on different categories to help you choose the one that suits your needs the best. Let's get started. Both the HyperX QuadCast and TECURS USB Microphone have great sound quality and can capture clear and smooth sound. However, with its built-in sound chipset, wider frequency response, and selectable polar patterns, the QuadCast offers more versatility and customization options. The HyperX QuadCast comes with vibrant red lighting with dynamic effects, a built-in anti-vibration shock mount, and a tap-to-mute sensor with LED status indicator. The TECURS USB microphone has a pop filter protection and one-touch mute design, a gain knob and earphone monitor, and a tripod stand. Overall, both microphones have unique features to offer, but if you're looking for more customization options, the QuadCast is a better choice. The HyperX QuadCast is compatible with most PCs, PS5, PS4, and Mac devices, and is certified by Discord and TeamSpeak. The TECURS USB microphone is also compatible with Mac and Windows computers, but is not compatible with Xbox. If you're looking for a microphone that can be used for gaming, streaming, video calling, or podcasting, both of these options are great. The HyperX QuadCast is priced at $119, while TECURS USB microphone is available for $43. Both products are affordable and offer great value for money. If budget is not an issue, the QuadCast offers more versatile features and customization options for an additional price. That concludes our comparison between the HyperX QuadCast and TECURS USB microphone. While both are great options, it ultimately comes down to what you're looking for in a microphone. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.